Hello everyone, welcome back to this Microsoft Excel tutorial journey with me on my Knowledge Factor YouTube channel. This is the 86th session, and now to point something out here about importing data inside of the newer version of Microsoft Excel. If you like the old interface for the import and actually going through the text import wizard, it's actually something you can still activate through the legacy import data feature. Take a look. If I go back to my data tab, top of my screen, I can go into get data and get in transform data, and currently on my system, if you go here, I have an option for legacy wizards. Let me click outside of this table and go back again. So under legacy wizard, I have activated two of them, from access and from text. Now if you go in your data tab to get data, you may not see the legacy wizard options there because it's actually something you have to turn on inside of the Excel option. So take a look. I'm going to go to my file tab, go to more options, go to data, and in the bottom portion of the data section you get show legacy data import wizard. So I have turned on both the access and the text legacy wizards. This will allow me to use the older imports. You may have watched that video where it takes you step by step through the import process, in this case on text or an access database. So once you turn those on, and that will then become an option on your data tab, get data, and you will have your legacy wizards right there. So just an FYI, for those newer Excel users, you can turn those on if you want the older wizard. Some people feel like they get a little bit more control over the initial import inside of those steps, or they just don't want to go through the Power Query operation with transforming data. Whatever the case is, you have it there. You can still activate it in the newer version of Microsoft Excel. So hope you like this information. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and as I always say, if you really liked it and enjoying this journey, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel, and also press the bell icon to get the latest content update on this channel. Alright, then we'll meet up in the next session. In case you have any questions, any concerns, then do let me know in the comment section of this video. So see you in the next session. Till then, stay safe, have a great life, and take very good care of yourself.